Okay, do you live in a house or apartment?
Yes, I live in a house. My house is very big and very beautiful. I live this in this house since my birth. My house consists on 7 bedrooms, one big library, and my most favorite room is my own room in my house, and I decorated my house as my with my beauty.
Okay, that's enough. Now listen, don't try to answer beyond the question. Beyond the question means now let me ask you how you decorate your house. My question was simple, do you live in a flat or house? So first answer and then 2 to 3 sentences about that house and that's enough, okay? Now let's go on. What's your favorite room in your house?
Well, my favorite room is my own room in my house, and I spend most of time in my room.
Okay, I spend most of time in my room. Try to demonstrate good vocabulary. For example, my favorite room is my own bedroom where I spend most of the time. It's more like a study room for me during the day because I do most of my activities in the same room. So to answer your question, my bedroom is the most let's say for me the most favorite one, like that. Okay, so different because if the ideas are same you will repeat the same words. If the ideas are varied according to the topic, then you will use a variety of words. Okay, what have you done to look your room to make your room look better?
Well, I decorated my room with.
I have
I have
decorated.
decorated to my room with different of colors, which mostly I like,
Mhm.
and also decorated with the different things
Now
like
see, after
pen.
and after and you should use subject also. And I have also, now first you use decorate, then you use adorned, then you can use the word arrangement and all that. So use a variety of words, and whenever you use and after that, if it's another sentence, subject must be there. Okay, let's go on. Now you will answer freely. How long have you been living in that house?
I have been live in this house since my birth.
Mhm.
Um,
Now you can speak more. I have been living in that house since my birth, and it's actually my birthplace as well. Although we have done some renovation and some amendments to this house, but actually I've been living in the same place since my birth. That's it.
okay.
Just two, three
Elaborate.
sentences,
Okay.
exactly. All right, one last question. Uh, what do you usually do in your house? Now you will talk about your activities, home activities. What do you usually do in your house?
Most of the times I go in library and I read a lot
And where is that
many
library?
in my home.
Okay. So you can say most of the time I go to my home library.
Library and I read some of the poetry books, and most of the time I spent in library of my home.
Okay. So you need to properly organize your answers and speak fluently because you think, produce an answer, it shows you are struggling. So you should speak at comfort and like that. Okay. All right. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. The topic is hometown. Tell me about your hometown.
My hometown is actually a very crowded place. It is one of the major cities of my country and it is located in the district Punjab, and it has the major population of my country. And
And still, you did not tell me the name of your hometown.
oh my
You
the
started with it. It we use after naming something.
oh,
Otherwise, if you use it, it's unclear what you're talking about.
my hometown name is Lahore.
All right. Okay. So my hometown is Lahore, which is the most populated and polluted city in the world. Okay.
Okay.
Something like that. All right. Let's go on. How long have you been living in this city?
I've been living in this city ever since I was born here, and it is basically a home not only to me but my immediate family. So I have a lot of family, a lot of friends over here, and I've been living, I think, from the longest time I can
All
remember.
right. What do you like about your hometown?
I like a lot of things about it because it has all the facilities I think anybody can imagine. It has restaurants, you have your shopping malls over here, gyms, anything for from kids play area to adults libraries, and from the cheapest, or I would say economical place to eat, to the most expensive restaurant you can
All
imagine.
right. What do you dislike about it?
The one thing that I dislike about it would be that since it's a crowded city, it has a lot of traffic, and there are days where there's a lot of noise pollution, and there are always days when the sewage system, it doesn't work properly, so the roads are blocked because of water, and then there's the traffic as well.
All right, so these things I really don't like about my hometown. One sentence conclusion. Okay, don't leave it open. At the end, must conclude and link your answer with the main question. Right? All right. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Thank you.